What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how to prepare your pureed fruits for your Christmas fruit cake or black cake. Here are the fruits that I'll be using. I have my golden raisin, I have some prunes over here, and over here I have some dates right here, and I have some black raisin and some dried cranberry. Here you could use whatever blend of fruits you like. I also went ahead and add my cherries, and this is the fruit wine that I'll be using. You could use red label wine if you don't have this one, or any other red fruit wine. And I'll be using some white overproof rum. You could use any other rum of choice as well. As I said before, you could use any fruit that you like. So in my saucepan I have some orange peel and cinnamon leaf. I'm going to bring this to a boil. And to this I'm going to add my fruits. Now here you could just do this if you're not into alcohol and stew your fruits and puree it, and it will be just as delicious. But I'm just going to go ahead and add my alcohol to it. And as I said, you could use any blend of fruits you like. You could go in with your mixed fruits, anything at all you like. It's yours, so you do what you like, but this is my favorite blend. And I'm just going to let this sit and absorb all that liquid, and I'm going to go in with my wine and my rum. Now at this point you want to turn off your heat because it's nice and warm, and you want to allow it to sit and let all those nice flavors soak up in that fruit, and the fruits are going to get nice and plumped. Now this is actually the next day because I was a little bit busy, so this is actually the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and puree some of my fruits and leave some whole because I do use it for other baking purposes that doesn't require fruit puree. So I'm just going to puree some, and I'm going to go in with some more alcohol, of course, because alcohol makes it better. Hello. But as I said before, if you're not into the alcohol, you could just skip the alcohol step and just go with the warm liquid and the fruits. And I'm just going to puree this until, I don't like mine too smooth. I like little bits of chunks in there. So this is the consistency I like. And that's just about it, beautiful people. Our fruit puree is nice and ready. And you could store this in your refrigerator and also on your countertop because alcohol is in it, so it will have a longer shelf life. I have some pureed and some not pureed. Until then, my beautiful people, I'll see you in my next one, and please remember to check out my next video at the end of this one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.